Tutorial today to help you change your email address and password when that's necessary. There are times when it is, especially when I have maybe created the account for you and you need to come into your account and change these things so you can receive the emails and fully control your account. So that's what our focus is today. So we're going to take the email address and password you were given, type it into these two fields, and click Login. Then on the top right hand side of the FARMserver page, home page, you'll see your account name, in which we click. It has a drop down, we click Manage. On the right hand side of this page, we see the operation name on the top. We see other things like primary contact info, address, next account number, things like that. And to change those, we go into Manage Your Profile. Here we can manage it by or change the names of the operation, your first last name, phone number, and all the typical things like that. Right here is the email. You click on this and you type in the email that you want for your account, the one that you receive notifications or you want to receive FARMserver notifications on. These notifications will say things like, will send you updates like when your data is finished processed from your planner or combine data. When it's done, it'll tell you it's been processed. It'll also, if you create reports and they are a larger report, it'll send those as an email, a link to your email to download when it's finished, so you don't have to sit there and wait on it. And different things like that. They're going to be necessary notifications. You know, this is not going, you're not going to get loaded down with extra email. It will be an email you want to be able to monitor. When you're finished, you click Update My Profile. Then the second part here is to update the password to a more secure password from the one that I gave you or the one that you have. You click Edit Your Password. You type the current one that you currently have that I've given you. Type in your new one. You know the drill here as well. You click Update. This here will turn green when these are all filled out. And you click Update Password and you're good to go. And then you're ready to go in and do exactly whatever you need to do in FARMserver. So this tutorial covered changing that, and look forward to connecting with you here in the future.